Hi, it's Imran from Car Sound Security. I just thought I'd share a quick video. We've just finished installing an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration kit on this BMW 2 Series 2020 plate. So basically what we've done is we've got the vehicle came from main dealer with no CarPlay, as there's a lot of vehicles coming without that, unfortunately. So what we've done, we've got the retrofitted an interface which is mounted behind the glove box, so there's no messy cables, no extra interfaces. Everything looks completely original, and as you can see, we've got CarPlay on the factory iDrive screen. It works with the factory controller as well, so you'll see the tabs, you know, highlighted as I'm scrolling across as well. So you can get all your main apps on the Apple CarPlay. So, you know, there's not Spotify here, but you can have Spotify, you've got Waze, TuneIn Radio, all the sort of main apps. It's also geared up for Android Auto as well. So what you do is you basically just scroll down to the BMW logo. We haven't got an Android phone connected, but you can see just here, if you had the Android phone, you just scroll on that and it'll give you all the Android features. You've also got USB on there as well, so you can play, like, I don't know, DivX movies, or, you know, anything you've got saved on there, any media that can be played through there as well. If we just go back to... Okay, so if you hold the click on that first, that's your CarPlay screen there. Now if you hold back on the media controller here, what will happen, after 3 seconds, it'll flick over to the original factory iDrive screen. So nothing's disrupted from the original factory aspect of, you know, the vehicle. Is not, you know, it's not disturbed in any way. Again, if you hold the back for 3 seconds, it will flick over and you've got your Apple CarPlay. All your sound will come out, all your audible sound will come out the speakers as they do normal. Your phone buttons, all your features on here, volume, everything here will work as normal. It will be pretty much as if you had factory Apple CarPlay or Android Auto already fitted. So it's a retrofit, nothing's distracted, because we get a lot of customers asking, you know, is there going to be anything different looking in the car? It's still going to look nice and slick, as you know, once you've bought it. So we get a lot of inquiries for this. You know, people buying cars and they're so used to their smartphones now that, you know, it's an essential really. So if you're interested in getting something like this done, then please give us a call. The number's in the description, and carry on, please carry on watching our videos. And you know, if you're not already subscribed, then subscribe to our videos. Thanks for watching and taking the time to watch this video. Thank you.